The proverb for today. Tí ọmọdé bá ń gúnyán eérú, àwọn àgbà wọn ò gbọdọ̀ mọ́ síbẹ̀ èèpẹ̀. Tí ọmọdé bá ń gúnyán eérú, àwọn àgbà wọn ò gbọdọ̀ mọ́ síbẹ̀ èèpẹ̀. If children are playing and deceiving themselves that they are pounding yam with ashes, the adults should not join them in that kind of play. Looking at their age, they should not join them and now deceive themselves that they too they are pounding yam or cooking soup with sand. Where does this adage come from? We know that children in the olden days like to play with sand, and they can tell themselves that they are cooking soup, they are pounding yam, they are making amala, they are making eba with sand. They just keep on deceiving themselves, amusing themselves, let me say. That is their childhood behavior. It's normal and expected of a child to do that. Now, should the elders too go and sit down with them and saying they are cooking soup with sand? It's not expected, because adults, they are matured and they shouldn't be in the same behavior with the kids. This proverb is used to correct people and chide them and warn them against behaving as a child when they are mature. If you see somebody who is behaving in an unexpected manner, this proverb is applicable. You can use that one to tell him. It won't cause a fight, but will bring a caution to him or her. Tí ọmọdé bá ń gúnyán eérú, ǹjẹ́ ó yẹ kí àwọn àgbà kó máa ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ pẹ̀lú?